Hello, good morning. We're here at one of our clients, very important clients. So we'll be checking their solar with Dyness batteries. Follow me. Hello, good day. I'm Wilson Valdez. I'm the owner of Auto Energy. We're a distributor of Dyness batteries and Lux Power. So this is our project. We installed this 4 years ago. Initially, we installed 2 batteries, but eventually the owner upgraded to 5 batteries. So ever since, there is no problem at all with the batteries. So it is working well, and owners are happy that they have zero bill from the utility. So eventually, they also upgraded to the other house for 8 units of PX 5100. And also on the other side of the house, they also added more batteries, Dyness batteries. I think they installed DL 5.0C for their upgrade. So there you go. This is our project. We want to thank Dyness for the support for the batteries. Thank you.